you have written something wrong, so you will need an eraser to make it clean, to have a correction. So the second menu is the eraser function. So we can click here to choose. There are four options. This is the first eraser, smaller one, and the second one is the bigger one. Yes, for sure. And next, the next one is we click here. Yes, we can choose different pattern. So this is in white color. Yes, here in the bottom here we have white color, black, blue, and different colors option. You click here to choose the different color. Let me choose the red one. And square pattern, and also yes, maybe this one. And I choose a purple color. Obviously, I think you know this is to back to the previous step, and this one is to the next step. And you can choose. The first one is to copy this pattern or copy this word you write. And the second is this is the rubbish, so you can throw it to the rubbish. And next, we can choose. This is a pen, so we can use the touch pen to write something on the whiteboard. But also, we can click here to switch the touch to 20-point touches. And the next one is the clean function. And you want to clean the complete page clean. So we choose the last one. So it shows the sliding screen and back to clean.